Good morning, student. Welcome to back to my channel. That means Tohid Spoken English channel, Kustia. Today I discuss with you about the parts of speech. Parts of speech is the most important part in a grammar. I discuss with you about the classification of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. Number one, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. At first, we discuss the abstract noun, proper noun. Proper noun is the name of the particular person, place, or thing. For example, Bangladesh, Rajshahi, Alamgir, Podda, English, etc. Then we discuss with you about the common noun. Common noun refer to every person, place, or thing, or same of the sentences, such as the student, lesson, friend, teacher, class, etc. Then the discussion with you about the collective noun. Material noun. Material noun name is the thing that has weight but cannot be counted, such as gold, silver, sugar, tea, milk, etc. And then at last we discuss with you the abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of the quality, state, or concept, such as bravery, honesty, sincerity, freedom, and justice. So if you identify the 5 classification of noun, you will